Alam mo yung feeling na gusto mong mag-upgrade ng phone pero parang mahal? What if may paraan para makuha mo yung latest Samsung Galaxy S26 series with insane deals plus chance pa to win 17 new concert tickets? Nandito ako sa SM City Clark Samsung Experience Store to break it down for you. Ready ka ba? Guys, hawak ko na yung all-new Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Sleek, not too heavy, and premium feel talaga. And seryoso, iba yung dating. But here is the exciting part, yung mga pre-order deals. Deal number 1, free memory upgrade. Order the Galaxy S26 Ultra 256GB at 86,990 pesos. Pero, makakakuha ka ng 512GB for the same price. That's around 14,000 savings. Kasi yung 512 unit is 100,990. Hello! Extra storage for free. Available din yan sa mga ibang units. Deal number 2, 30% off, cross-sell. Add Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Buds sa order mo and get 30% off agad. This is the time to level up your ecosystem. Deal number 3, Samsung Care Plus. Device insurance on accidental damage. That's 50% off on the 1-year plan or 25% off naman for the 2-year plan. Peace of mind, check na yan. Deal number 4, freebies! Here are what you will bring home too. Bud Score worth 3,000 pesos, Stanley Tumbler worth 2,500 pesos, and a 25-watt adapter worth 1,300 pesos. Lahat yan, libre. That's over 6,000 pesos worth of freebies. And deal number 5, trade-in offers. On top of the assessed value ng old phone mo, may 10,000 pesos top-up voucher ka. And if iPhone yung iti-trade-in mo, may extra 4,000 pesos pa. Calling all switchers, this is your sign. Pre-order period is from February 26 to March 17, 2026. Pero, and this is important, this weekend lang, sa March 7 and 8 sa SM City Clark, may exclusive event with VIP access to the new Galaxy devices. Plus, a chance to win 17 new World Tour concert tickets, Samsung Galaxy S26 series, premium phone, insane deals. This weekend na sa SM City Clark. Drop pre-order na sa comments and tag your upgrade buddy. Save this para hindi ka magsisisi. Bilisan, slots are running out. Visit the Samsung store at SM City Clark for more details.